Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another Ipsy box, and this is my July box. So if you want to see what I got in my July Ipsy box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump into this Ipsy box. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. So my first product item stuff. This is from the Beauty Crop, like Beauty Shop, but Crop, you know, the spin on shop. It's lip cream lip kit. So it's come like so, and then I guess there's a lipstick or lip cream, and then there's a how you call that, and a lip pencil. So it looks like so. I'm just gonna put this trash back in here because so the lipstick looks like this, and what is the lipstick name? I guess Date Night. And then the lip pencil looks like so. I don't know, I feel like you won't even see the lip pencil, but this is the combo. This is actually a pretty shade, so we will see. I'll definitely wear it today. And let us jump in our other product. So our other product is actually from First Aid Beauty, and it is the All Control Moisturizer. Actually, I think I have another moisturizer. I think I have this somewhere there, to be honest with you. Like, so it's a mattifying hydrating primer. I don't know, I thought I had it there, but I don't know, or maybe I don't. No, it's a different primer. Okay, it's a different primer. So let's go ahead and test this baby out. I have some empty boxes here. Let's put that in here. Ooh, you know what? This feels so good. Like it's very cooling. So it's, I don't know, I wouldn't say this is mattifying, to be honest with you, like, but it does have a little bit of tackiness. Okay, let's jump into our other product. So this is our third product. This is from Lucky Chick, and it is a lip and cheek multi-stick, so you can use it for blush or not. So it looks like so. I don't know, I don't like stuff like that because I'm like, is it just gonna, you know, yeah, I don't know. Like, look at this, you can barely see it, it's gone. We're gonna try to use it, but I'm not holding my breath because I don't know, this yeah, we don't know. Our fourth product is from Pomelo, and it is a Matcha Magic smoothing hair treatment, and looks like so. It's like, you know, like baby food come in this pouch. So, you know, maybe when I take off my braid, I will wear a hair mask. And the last but not least, it is from Saturday Skin. I actually have a moisturizer from them, and I really like it. And oh, I guess now my face feels matte. And then it is called Rubber Dub Refining Peel Gel. So I guess you should pass it, and then maybe it peels it off. I don't know, who knows. I'm gonna try a little bit. Let's see. I don't know, I'm just like all over the place. See if this actually works, because again, this is not stuff I can just use like this. Yeah, So it's like it kind of just takes off like the skin like this, like the dead skin. So it works. Ew. Pew. So these are all the products that I got in my Ipsy box. So now let us jump into the makeup look. I don't even know. I feel like I have this little glitter here from ABH. We might do something with that. I hate when I don't have stuff, you know, with like in the palette, because not in the palette, like in the box, because then I'm like, I make plans for it and then I can't really, you know, do much. So this is actually from Glamlite and it is the eye clay, and this shade is, I think, the lightest one, Sweet Shop Buttercream. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Kind of disappointed in this box, to be honest with you, but I think I get more disappointment in these boxes than actual good boxes. So by now I'm just like, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. And then I'm just gonna blend this. By stamping it into the skin. I like to use a concealer brush to do this because I feel like the chunkier the brush, the better. You can just dump it in there. Actually, let's use this Noble Blues from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I'm really just gonna use like a couple shades from there, because I'm gonna use that thingy from. So I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm gonna just put this right here. This is M505 from Morphe, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here just to blend the edges. Nothing crazy. Like so. Now let's go into this glitter. I don't like working with glitter, but we're gonna have to make this work. We're gonna have to make this work. Then we're gonna do a little glitter glue from NYX, and then I'm gonna go in here. This look is so easy. Even if I know like the shades are bold, it's so easy. This is Y215 from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, and then I just pick this up and I just tap it here. This is like icy white. I'm just making sure this goes all the way, nicely blended. This is really fine, so I feel like if you don't blend it, it will end up everywhere. Or if you don't, use a glue. You will literally end up with glitter everywhere. I just want a little bit of purple, I think. This is on a 216 from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. This is a little Carrot Beauty palette that I got from Marshalls, and this one is the Party Girl. I just taken this one shade from it, which is purple. I'm just gonna put it right here to just blend this a bit. So I get like a gradient kind of finish. So let's do some blush. Where's that blush? So I'm not gonna put the blush on my face. I'm actually gonna put it on the back of my hand to warm it up a bit, and then I'm gonna put it on my face, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do this like so, and then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna like stipple it like this and see if I can like look at this, there's like nothing there. Ah, I hate stuff like that. So let's put it on the brush, because it just stayed there. Like, I don't know. I said I'm not getting much, and this was from my Boxycharm actually. Like, I'm not getting. I feel like if you're lighter, maybe, but for my complexion, nope, 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 nope. And I can tell you when I put this on, it's just gonna like, oh, after I blend all my stuff, it's gonna be gone. And let me tell you, I am putting so much of this on here, like so much. And it smells like oil. When I put it on here, I don't know. But I don't have any product on my hands, so I guess maybe it's... Either way, I don't like it. I got this in my Boxycharm. So we're gonna use this to line the lip. Again, this is shade Date Night. I think that's the whole kit. It's really creamy. Maybe a little bit too creamy. Yeah, it just likes... I think it's definitely too creamy for me. And we're gonna go in with that liquid lipstick. Okay, so I don't know. Let us talk about, you know, this Boxycharm box. So let me grab my handy dandy phone. Cut my picture though. I'm all this cheesy couple, you know. Oh, you can see it because it's, I think I have that screen thing on so you can see. Oh, you know me and my hubs. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate this situation. So the first product I got was that First Aid Moisturizer Primer. That actually like was quite mattifying, even if that I think that foundation was a little matte. Kind of dewy, but yeah. So that's $38. The other product was the lip kit. I still feel like it's a little bit tacky. I did not like the pencil. The pencil was just like too creamy. It was just all over the place, and that's $20. So, but I guess not super expensive for a pencil and a liquid lip. That's pretty inexpensive. So it's like $10 a pop. And then we had the Lucky Cheek and Lip. Terrible. I hated it. Like, I didn't really like, I had nothing, and then it separated my foundation here and did like some kind of mess. Like, I'm not sure what it did. And that is also $20. And let's jump into the Saturday Skin, which is that pale. I did not use it on my face, but I did use it on my, like, the back of my hands, and it did feel like it was taking off like the dead skin. So I will try that, and that is $28. Last but not least is the Pomelo hair mask. But as you guys can see, I have braids right now, so maybe when I take off my braid, I'll go ahead, you know, and give it like a nice little mask treatment situation, and that is $40. So it's $136. That's how much all the products, like, so I literally had 2 products, so 3. I got 5 products. 3 of them were not makeup, ish. They were more skincare, and then 2 was makeup, but 1 was trash, and then the other one, half of it was trash. So pretty much I really just got just the lipstick, because I feel like, see, although look at this, lipstick is kind of, you know, tacky, which I don't know, we'll see. So that's it, guys, for this, you know, Boxycharm / Ipsy July unboxing. You know, if you want to continue seeing what I get in my boxes over the months, if I keep it, if I don't, you know, that's like a constant battle with me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Son nalgas de mentira, tan brinda, que chimba, colombiana linda, siempre con los ojos rojos de Cali, con mi amiguita Mari. My